Alright people, so I am back today with another hair review. It's been a while since I've been back, so I'm here and I'm coming with some reviews this week for you guys. So this unit was sent to me from Omgherhair.com. So this is a 360 wig. It's a bouncy curl texture. Now I did co-wash this hair prior to installing this hair, so the wave pattern is a little bit loose than it did come with the package. So that's one thing just to keep in mind. Now what I'm going to basically do is just use the Got2b Glue blasting free spray just to adhere this down. I'm going to blow dry it down and then wrap it up with my headscarf. This is a pretty easy way to adhere the unit. It's not going to damage your edges or anything like that. It's just you using a little bit of hairspray just to hold this wig down. It's a very simple method, especially if you're in a rush and you have somewhere to go and you need to really quickly install a wig. This is the way to go. As far as the back, this is the easiest way I find to make my back stay down on the back of these 360 wigs. So I just make sure I pull it down, fix the combs together, and then take two bobby pins, go in and kind of wiggle and function it through. This for me is easier than going back there and gluing it down. I feel like especially when they don't give you enough lace with these 360 wigs in the back, you're gonna end up gluing the hair down and just turns into a messy process. I find just using a few bobby pins and making sure that it's secure in the back is the best way. So what I'm doing right now is just using some alcohol just to remove that kind of crusty look around the edges. But this is pretty simple, guys. I hope you guys like this so far. I am so enjoying this. So this part I did not slow down because I felt like this was simple enough to explain to you guys. So basically what you're going to do is pull the hair all forward, and then I used one rubber band, or what is it called, scrunchy rubber band, and I basically pulled the hair forward and made myself a bun. I wrapped it 3 times to get in this up style. Now basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with a little bit of argan oil. I preset the baby hair, so all I'm doing now is breaking the cast and just using some argan oil just to make it look less crusty, and you can see how nice and flowy through the baby hairs look. It looks very, very natural going into the bun. Obviously the hair is wet in the bun, but once it dries up, it's going to give this nice kind of like curly, soft curl look, which I freaking love. So this is the finished look of this unit. So this unit was sent to me from Omgherhair.com. So this is a 360 unit. It's a really thick density, about 200% density. So this is the bouncy curl texture. So when I first got it, it was like a really, really ringlet curl. So I did go ahead and co-wash this to come and show you guys the hairstyle. So for this hairstyle today, I just used minimal products. I'm like looking around for it. So for this hairstyle, I basically glue this one down with the Got2b Glue and the blasting free spray. I did go in and wet this unit. I did show you guys how I set it overnight, and then today is the second day, so this is what it looks like the next day. I did use the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. This product is really good with wavy curly hair, really holds a nice style. I usually like to wet the hair and do it like that and then put it in the bun, because one thing that it does, it creates a nice curl pattern. So if I want to take this down, it's going to be so gorgeous. So I really like that about this product. So even if you scrunch the bun up like this, once you unravel the hair, it'll come down into like a formated kind of like wave or something. So I really think that's really cute. So this is the type of hairstyle, guys, that I honestly and truly like dead serious wear to work. You can't really have your hair done as a nurse, so I usually just put it up in a bun and I go and do my job. It's less hair on your back, and then it's really cute at the same time. You can still be stylish. Obviously I did go extra with the baby hairs, but with this type of style, you can just you go ahead and go crazy with the baby hairs. I didn't do the ear tabs this time because I wanted to be like a nice transitional flow through, so I really wanted to give you guys that emphasis of the transition. This unit did come pre-bleached, and they did a little plucking in the front. I did go in and just do a tiny bit of plucking, but the hair was nice and it formed really nicely and went right into the scalp, so it looks pretty natural up close. One other thing I did do was that you guys did see me go ahead and put some oil on the edges. Once it Got2b Glue dries, you know, it leaves that kind of flake, so I did go ahead and just flake it off with the brush and then put a little bit of argan oil on it just to make it nice and smooth. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit. I did show you guys the front and back, so it's a very seamless. All I did was use bobby pins, 2 bobby pins, shove it in the back. I did not have to glue the back down, which was excellent. So this was was a simple wig AF. If you're looking for low maintenance hairstyle for like work or whatever, school, this is definitely a nice wig, and it's super thick. So guys, I will leave all the information down below if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Omgherhair.com. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.